In this session, we will learn how to create a portfolio site with the help of googlesites.com. The link of Google Sites is sites.google.com. I'll be adding this link in the description box as well as the pinned comments. You can visit the site from here. Click on this. But before that, make sure you have logged in with your Gmail ID. Once you log in, you have an option called Template Gallery. Click on it. You'll see multiple templates. This video is focused on portfolio. So let us see what are the templates available for the portfolios. So this is one. Apart from this, we also get multiple templates that can be used for various other occasions or various projects. Now we have a photo portfolio. This will be helpful for photographers. Then we have student portfolio. It is up to you what template you select. I'll be using this particular template. You can use student portfolio as your template and you can start working on it. I'll be using this template to create a portfolio for click on this. Once you select the template, this is what you get. You can have a look at this. Now, if you don't want any particular section, you can just click on it, then click on delete. The same thing, click on delete, the entire section will be deleted. Now we have home, about, project page. This is a portfolio site. We might not require about and project page. So let us delete these pages as well. To delete these pages, click on pages here. Select this. Click on delete. The same thing goes here. Click on it. Click on delete. Now we have a single page where we can add our content. To add more content, we have an option called insert. Through this option, we can insert a text box, we can insert an image, we can insert a code. You can also use Google Drive for adding images as well as videos. So let us scroll down. So these are content blocks. This block will have one image and a text box. So let me show you how it works. Just drag and drop. You can add an image over here. You can write text, heading, whatever you want here. So based on your requirement, you can choose whatever you want. Now look at this, just select it, it will be there. So this block have 3 images that can be added. So let us delete this. We shall delete this as well. Now let's begin with the portfolio of our character. The character is called as King of Hell. Let me add that one. It is done. Here, let us add the name. Let us delete these things. Now, once this is done, you can change the text style. So it's up to you what you want. Let me add it as a title. Along with this, you can also change the text font. You have the size of the font, bold, italic, underline, and the color as well. You can select the text, click on it, then change the color of the text. Now it is changed. Now let us add the image. To add an image, we have an option called upload an image or replace an image. Click on it, click on upload. It will be in our systems. You can just add it. So it takes some time. Now the image has been added. Once we scroll down, we have selected work. We can change this based on our requirements. So let me change this. So I have written I work for the Straw Hat Pirates. Once this is done, we can add the image of the team. So what we can do is we can just select the image and upload it. Let us upload the image of his team. So we have this. Now the image has been added. Now I want this image to be displayed full screen. What I can do is I can elaborate like this. Okay, now it is done. Along with this, we also get email address. So let us change it as well. So you can contact him at this Gmail address. Now this is done. Let us explore multiple options that is there in Google Sites. So along with this, we have collapsible group. Let us see what it is. Click on it. This is how we get. Now here we can add a question, I guess. Let me add directions and let me add the answer. Now when someone clicks on directions, you get this answer. That is the collapsible group. Now we have table of contents. Table of contents will be helpful to write all the things that is on your site. It works just as an index of a textbook. When we click on table of contents, we get, hi, I'm Zoro, that is this one. Now I work for the Straw Hat Pirates, that is this particular section. Apart from that, we have directions, that is the questionnaire that I have added here. Last thing is the email address, that is table of content. So we don't require this, let us delete it. Once this is done, we have image carousel. If we have more than 2 or 3 images, we can use this carousel. You can explore this option. Now we have a button. So this button will be helpful. Once you select the button, you get the name and the link. Name is nothing but the title of the button. So let me add know more about me. So let this be the title. Let us add the Wikipedia page of this particular character. I have searched the name on Google and here is the page. Open it, copy the link and paste it there. Copy, paste it. Now click on insert. The button will be inserted here. Once this is done, you can drag this button and get it over here. This is how it will look. Once you have added all these things, if you want to change the text on the button, you can double click on this and change it. You can change it to no more and update it. This is all about the button. Now we have a divider. Click on divider. A thin line has been added. It acts as a divider. So we don't need it. Let us delete it. Now we have a spacer. Click on it. It will give us some space in between. So we don't need this as well. So let us delete it. Next thing that we have is social links. that is the social media links that can be added. So let us add one social media link of this particular character. Now, this is a place where we can add multiple social media links. We can add our Instagram page, we can add our Facebook page, LinkedIn page, and many more. It's up to you what you add. Let me add Instagram page of this particular character. I am at the page of Zoro. Let us add the link, copy this and paste it. Click on insert. Now this is created. Once the button is created, you get multiple options. It can be medium, large, it's up to you. It can be square, it can be like this. So we can align it based on our requirement. Let it be at the center. Once this is done, you can just drag and drop at the center so that it looks better. You can add multiple social media links like this. Now this is done. Next thing that we have is a placeholder. Select it. Now in this section, we can add an image, we can add a YouTube video, we can add a map, we can do whatever we want. So let us delete it. Now we have multiple things like calendar, map, documents, forms, charts, etc. So it is up to you what you want to use. So let me show you how to add a map. So if you have a particular location, you can add it. So let me add a location where we can find a Zoro. Let us try this one. Okay, select it, then click on select. Our location has been added. Now the same procedures goes. We can just drag this until the end. Now this is done. We can find Zoro at Red Fort. After we do all these things, we have an option called publish. Before publishing, if you want to change the theme or the colors, we have an option called themes. Select themes and see what can be changed. Look at this. This is how it will look. So based on your requirement, you can change it. So this looks good. Once this is done, click on publish. Click on publish. This is what you get. That is the web address. We can even connect a custom domain if we have. The next option that you get is who can view my site. You can click on manage and add the email addresses to whom you can share the site, or else you can just leave it as it is. Anyone with this particular link will have access to your site. Then you have request public search engines to not display your site. We can select this as well. Then click on publish. Once this is done, click on view site, and this will be the URL of your site. This is how it will look like. The title, the name, the button, and I work for the Straw Hat Pirates, the images and directions. I don't know. So get in touch with him with this Gmail address. This is his Instagram page, and I guess this is where he lives. Let us check the button. Yes, it goes to the Wikipedia page of Roronoa Zoro. This is it. This is all about how to create a portfolio site using Google Sites. Start designing your site. If you have any doubts, you can get in touch with me. All the details are in the description box. Thank you. See you in the next session.